Welcome back, continuing the news. A Jamaican immigrant is making waves in New York's childcare industry. It's the story of Terry's Tender Daycare. Here's Deidre Thomas with this week's edition of the Business Review.
I always wanted to own a daycare. From the very first week I started working in a daycare because I love children. But did I ever think it would be a reality? No, I didn't.
Nurturing dreams into a reality isn't easy for anyone. But imagine doing it in a foreign country with no legal status.
I came from Jamaica when I was 11 years old and didn't have any papers like a lot of us. And so I ended up getting a job with a lady doing a daycare, and that's how I started.
Now the CEO of Terry's Tender Daycare, Miss Mohammed, says she worked tirelessly to gain her U.S. citizenship while navigating the complexities of building a business in one of the world's most competitive cities.
Just so happened when I was supposed to get my inspections done and all of that, it was the pandemic. So it was very difficult getting my inspections, getting my paperwork in, getting other people who were involved to come out and, do their part of the job.
This additional pressure she faced as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, balancing her other 9-to-5 as a full-time nurse, motherhood, and a business owner presented even more challenges. Each role demanded her full attention, and the weight of it all pushed her to pivot.
Started out with no kids. Matter of fact, I kept children for free until I got my first 4 children, and then 6, and then I'm full.
Now, alongside her staff of 1, she spends her days molding these young minds through creative and interactive activities.
What color is that? Green. Children come in, they have a nice warm breakfast. After breakfast, we do music, we do arts and craft, we do our ABCs, our numbers. We learn about the world around us.
With over 20 years of experience in childcare and 4 years running her own business, this Clarendon native reflects on how a modest investment of $1,500 used to purchase a curriculum has paid off in a remarkable way. And so, she's ready to welcome even more little ones.
I'm currently in the process of expanding, which means currently I'm a family daycare. Within maybe 6 months or so, I'll become a group family where I could have 16 children versus 8.
From those first uncertain days to now a thriving business, as a woman of color, she has one piece of advice for Jamaicans looking to set up a business in the U.S.
I would say go for it. The business is here for all of us. There's money to be made. Go make your money.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.